Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the data. Open your table tool and choose the CSV or database connection right away. Specify column names, data types, and a primary key so records stay stable. This prevents type mismatches later. During import, preview the first 100 rows and correct delimiters or encoding problems. If you see empty headers, rename them now. Once done, commit the import and make a quick backup copy so you can revert if the mapping was wrong. Now you clean and transform the content. Use trim and lowercase on text fields to normalize values, remove non-printable characters, and replace bad delimiters. Then add calculated columns, parse dates, coerce numbers, and compute ratios or percentages where needed. Make joins to reference tables to enrich records and run deduplication with a unique key check. As you proceed, sample results on 101,000 rows to verify rules. Finish by validating the table. Run schema checks, sample queries, and summary statistics to confirm distributions and null rates. Then export in the required format, CSV for spreadsheets, SQL dump for databases, and include a schema file or README for clarity. Share access with role-based permissions and document every step in a change log. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup copy, compare diffs row by row, and rerun only the failed transformation to limit scope and restore integrity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.